Covers on. A few minor adjustments. Tighten them down and gently put it in the clamps. Put the other water seals back here too. And there it is. (2004). 18 years old. Ready for a bunch of firewood hauling. Right, Ava? I'm still going to do some cleanup underneath. Z-zip the bottom more. Try to give it a little bit more protection. And get the spare tire mounted. So I have that, even though I hadn't used it in 18 years. Hopefully not going to need it, but it's one of those things you never know. I still have a couple supports underneath too that come from the side, right in here, and then up into that top brace. So I need to do that too. So a few odd things. I'm not totally done, but I'm still in good shape.